The action camera world is heating up like never before, and the battle for the top spot has become more exciting than ever. For years, GoPro ruled the action cam scene, setting the standard for rugged compact cameras designed for creators, adventurers, and thrill seekers. But then DJI entered the picture with its Osmo Action series, completely flipping expectations. With every new release, DJI hasn't just kept pace, they've taken bold strides forward, carving out their own loyal fan base. The Action 5 Pro was proof of that. A camera that quickly became a favorite for its power, versatility, and rugged reliability. Now the buzz is all about what's next. Rumors, leaks, FCC filings, and even sharp prototype photos all point to the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6. Fans are asking, will this be the groundbreaking leap forward that redefines what action cameras can do, or just another careful step in DJI's steady climb? From what we're hearing, the suspense is building like never before. And trust me, if even half of these leaks are true, we might be looking at a game-changing release. Let's dive into what we know so far about the DJI Osmo Action 6. According to early reports, this new model, listed as AC006 in FCC filings, is shaping up to be a serious upgrade. One of the standout details is its compatibility with DJI's 30W USB-C charger, which means fast and efficient power-ups. Even more impressive is its durability. The Action 6 is said to work in extreme conditions, from icy -20 degrees temperatures to blazing heat up to 45 degrees. That's the kind of versatility adventurers crave, whether you're snowboarding down mountain slopes or trekking through a desert. Connectivity is another strong point. The Action 6 reportedly supports Wi-Fi with advanced protocols, including 802.11 AGN/AC/AX across multiple frequency bands, plus Bluetooth 5.1 for stable and reliable 2.4 GHz connections. Translation: faster transfers, smoother syncing, and better reliability when you're out in the field. Now, DJI has always been consistent with release timing. The Osmo Action 1 dropped in September 2022, followed by the Action 4 in August 2023, and the Action 5 Pro in September 2024. That cycle strongly suggests we'll see the Osmo Action 6 between August and October 2025. Add in FCC filings and leaked supply chain whispers, and the smart bet is on a late August or September launch window. Design-wise, DJI seems to be sticking with the tried-and-true dual-screen setup, a favorite among vloggers who love framing shots perfectly from both sides. But here's the real mystery. Leaks show a pill-shaped component tucked right below the front display. It's not a button, it's not a speaker. So what is it? Some speculate it could be a brand new sensor, others think it's a gesture control pad, or maybe even something entirely new we've never seen on an action cam before. That element alone has fans buzzing with theories. Beyond that, subtle design tweaks hint that DJI isn't just recycling the Action 5 Pro. The changes could be small, maybe adjustments to grip, reduced weight, or better thermal management. But those refinements can have a huge impact when you're pushing the camera to its limits. And here's another big clue. FCC documents confirm not one, but two different battery sizes, 1,770 mAh and 1,500 mAh. This strongly suggests a dual model release, possibly a standard version and a pro version. That would be a smart move, giving users the option between a more compact, lightweight version and a powerhouse built for endurance and performance. The leaks themselves are also worth noting. They don't look like the usual blurry, low-res images. These are sharp, polished, and professional-looking, almost as if DJI is teasing us on purpose. And with the FCC's confidentiality period expiring right before these images surfaced, it feels like the timing is no coincidence. While it's true some details may still change before launch, all signs point to the Osmo Action 6 being a serious contender in the next generation of action cameras. If DJI delivers on the performance and mystery features, they could once again shift the entire market in their favor. That wraps up our look at the leaks, rumors, and insider details surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 6. From rugged durability to improved connectivity, dual-screen familiarity, and that mysterious pill-shaped component, DJI is clearly preparing to make a bold statement. Add in the hints of two battery sizes, pointing to both a standard and pro model, and this launch is shaping up to be one of the most exciting action camera reveals in years. Of course, as with any leaks, it's important to stay cautious until the official announcement drops. But when leaks are this sharp and this consistent, you can't help but feel that DJI is letting the hype build on purpose. And honestly, it's working. The suspense is real, and the excitement is through the roof. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think that pill-shaped design element could be? A new sensor? Gesture controls? Or maybe something completely different? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to see your theories. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Technify for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the latest tech. Big things are coming, and you won't want to miss what's next.